Everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open Eureka Crystal Bee's latest collection, and this is called Opulence Echo Collection. So for those of you who are not familiar with the collections, this is not a subscription. This is a beautifully curated collection of beads, stones, findings, all kinds of beading goodies that they offer on their website, generally monthly. So you take a look and see which ones you love. So if you're not a subscription person, this could be perfect for you. They also offer light collections during the month as well. So collections galore. So why don't we take a look and see what's inside this package? Those of you who are not familiar with the collections, here's everything. I've taken everything out, and the color story is just absolutely stunning. Beautiful purples and greens and grays, absolutely gorgeous. I love these deep, rich colors. So here's our picture, our inspiration picture. And here's the list. And on the outside, you get a little inspiration paragraph, which I will let you read on your own. Maybe I'll read the first sentence. It's a long one. An echo lingers where vivid color meets cool stillness, as the rich tones of purple and red fruit stand out against the calm surface of metal, creating a dialogue of warmth and restraint, nature and industry. And there's another sentence. I'll let you read that. Here's our list. So everything is has listed by item name. So we have seed beads, Czech glass beads. Wow, this is big. Look at all of that. Czech glass beads, Krakovski crystal, elite Eureka crystal, Chinese crystal, glass beads, and findings. And wow. So everything is identified by its SKU number, which is this little number right here. This number identifies this item. So you can type this number in their search bar if you want to look at colors, you want to do some more ordering, and this item will come up. So easy. And you get free US shipping on all orders over $39.99. Okay, let's take a look. Future me here. So after I did the unboxing, I got pretty inspired to make something. So I put all the beads out and I just started beading, and this is what I'm coming up with. I'm not done with it yet, but I thought, wow, we could have a lot of fun with these beads. So here you go. This is something that will be coming down the line using the beads from this collection. So let's continue. Okay, we're going to start with the seed beads, and the first four I've taken out of the tubes because one, they're so deep and rich that it's hard to see them in the tube, and two, this is the color story. I mean, everything else kind of follows these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Let's start with the 15 Miyuki round seed bead, and this is in black matte AB. You get a 10-gram tube. I'm going to try to get super close so you can see all the color in there. So we have a Miyuki round 11-0 fuchsia lined aqua luster. You get a 10-gram tube. Wow, these tubes are huge. I mean, this is a really big collection. Look at that color. That is beautiful. We have a Miyuki round 11-0 seed bead in gunmetal, 10-gram tube. And it just brings back memories when I, first started beading, with my YouTube channel. I used this color a lot, gunmetals and silvers and such. So pretty. 8-0s. This is a gorgeous green. So this is a round 8-0 seed bead Miyuki green lined chartreuse. You get a 5-inch tube here. Look at the size of this tube. Wow, it's amazing. And look at the gorgeous color in that. It's beautiful. We have this beautiful Delica in gunmetal, 7.6-gram tube. Look at this color. This is a twisted bugle bead, Miyuki 2x6mm dyed transparent dark purple. And you get a 7.5-gram tube. Here's our little Toho. This is a demi-round 11-0. Amethyst gunmetal metallic 2.5-inch tube. Okay, on to the Czech glass beads. We have a 4mm fire polish. That gorgeous color. This is in Tanzanite silver lined, and this is a 50 bead strand. And then we have a fire polish in 6mm. Look at the sparkle on that guy. That's hematite, strand of 25. And look at these drucks. These are beautiful. 3mm round druck, iris purple, strand of 100. So right along with the theme. Beautiful. Let's add on with a 2-hole mini duo, 2x4mm Czech glass bead, matte hematite. Next up, we have a 2-hole nibbit. Look at that color. Metallist purple, 2.5-inch tube. That is so beautiful. Okay, we're coming up to the Krakovski crystal, and we've got an 8mm chaton here in violet blue. Look at that color. Wow, wow, wow. That's beautiful. You get 6 pieces. And then we have a Krakovski crystal Rivoli, 12mm in violet blue. You get 2 of those. It's quite sparkly. Loving. Really, really beautiful. I can't stop looking at them. They're so sparkly. Okay, let's add on to my hand. We've got these gorgeous Krakovski pear pendants. So these in Volcano, these are 11.5 by 8mm. You get 6 of them. So they're little pendants. You see the little hole. Let me see if I can clear this up. At the top. This is such a gorgeous. I love Volcano. I think it's so beautiful. Every color in the rainbow there. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. So you get 6 of those little pendants. My camera can't even focus. There we go. Gorgeous Krakovski teardrop stones, 13 by 18 in amethyst. You get 2 of them, and that is such a deep amethyst. I'm trying to get my light so it really reflects the color. Oh, there we go. We're getting there. But that is really, really deep, dark, very mysterious. Beautiful. Look at this gorgeous stone. This is a 27mm round stone in Volcano. It's a Krakovski crystal fancy stone. And how stunning is that? And the piece that I was talking about earlier that I ran and got, of course, I think it would be so gorgeous using this stone, is the interlace Isabella pendant or necklace. Isn't that so, so pretty? I absolutely would love to see this in these colors. And if you remember, or if you haven't seen it, we did the back. So it's a reversible pendant. And I think this looks so pretty. It's almost a little spider webby. This could be kind of really on these colors, purples and blacks and ambers and such. Would look so pretty for something, you know, Halloween-y. And then here you have the other side if you're just feeling a little more, you know, classic. So really pretty. I'll link the video tutorial to this in the description box below the video, but this would be gorgeous in any bezel. But just popped into my head to show you this one. Just to show you all the fancy stones together. Look at all these pieces. These are so beautiful. These chatons are amazing as well. Gorgeous color. Crystals, so Elite Eureka Crystal Bicone beads, 4mm. Dark rose, you get a pack of 24. So this is their Austrian crystal brand. Beautiful. The sparkle. Okay, next up we have Elite Eureka Crystal Assorted Size Round Pearls in Moonlight Mix. And it's kind of a bluish gray, like sort of tinge to it. It's hard to tell on camera, but they're so gorgeous. Did I say you get a pack of 70? Various sizes. Beautiful. Gosh, I love pearls. This beautiful Chinese crystal strand, 3x2mm hematite metallic. So I love the how metallic it is. Look, isn't that beautiful? And look how it reflects the light. I just love the Chinese crystal beads. I think they're beautiful. And you get a strand of, doesn't say. I'm not sure, but there are a lot of them. This cool strand. These are under glass beads. Eureka Basics faceted round glass beads. 4mm red pink. And you get all these different colors in this one strand. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love that. I think that's gorgeous. And they're so nice and sparkly. Very, very pretty. Okay, last but not least, we have our findings. So we've got some ear wires. And these are, they have a 2mm ball, 20x10mm, stainless steel. You get 1 pair. I love the stainless steel. I think it's really pretty and so strong. And then we have a ball post earring with loop, 9.5mm stainless steel. So this is a little post here. And it has a loop here, so you can really hang anything from that. Then look at this carabiner style push clasp. So you're going to push it in there like a carabiner. Isn't that cool? It's really nice. 18mm stainless steel. You get 1 piece. And I love this little square toggle or rectangular toggle. 17mm silver plated. You get 1 set. Okay, this was quite a collection. Look at everything. I could barely fit it on this tray. I had to put a lot of stuff together. Look at these gorgeous, gorgeous crystals. I love the rectangular toggle there. All these beautiful greens and purples and, you know, sort of gunmetal colors. Look at this. It's so pretty. I love this. Is so interesting having this, you know, these colors together. And look at these gorgeous, gorgeous pearls. So, so pretty. So very beautifully done. I'll put a link in the description box below the video to the collection, this collection, and the whole collections page, because they have a bunch of collections available. And as I said, they have the light collections as well. So you really have lots and lots of choices there. So I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Can't wait to use these gorgeous beads.